Hey, this is a video of how to remove a center console on a 2006 Mercedes S500. Yeah, same thing on the other side. We have the seats out already, so usually you would have to slide your seats all the way to the front to get to those screws. We're using a T27 Torx. Alright, so now you gotta take off the shift knob and you twist the bottom ring on it. And once it's loose on the bottom, you just pull the shifter up. Once you get the ring off, just twist it a little bit, it becomes loose, you just pull up the shifter. Okay, and it just pops out. Okay, now you have two Phillips. Just gotta remove those screws. Alright, one thing I forgot to tell you in the beginning is to put the shifter all the way back. And once you get all the screws out, the two Torx in the back and the two Phillips in the front, and there's going to be a bunch of plugs on the bottom of it to unplug. This is from the back. To lift over the front, right over the shifter. And we did miss some wires behind the air vent, so okay, so unplug that one. So once all the wires are loose or unplugged, you're going to be able to lift up the center console. Okay, so this is center console out. These are the plugs you have to unplug. That's your AC.